Hi guys! So we are already here sa Vietnam. Yay! Nasa Tan Son Nhat International Airport na kami. So, sa Ho Chi Minh lang kami gagala for this trip. 3 AM sa Philippines. Pero sabi nila 1 hour delay. Ay, diba? 1 hour late yung oras dito. So, ayun. Hindi nagpapapalit sila ng money.
Ang ganda talaga ng ano. Iba yung glow sa morning na normal na tao.
What if mag-morning na? Natulog lang kami after namin dumating sa airport kasi sobrang nakakapagod siya. Ayun, kain pa lang kami sa KFC and then, oo, actually yun, breakfast pa lang namin to, pero po 11 AM na, and ganun na, kaya ganun na yung time. But,
carry lang. Stapler na.
Okay.
Okay, yay! So, currently na papunta na kami sa Independence Palace. First stop. Yay! Let's go! Ang init!
Dito po yung reception ng Binyan.
Oo, tiko.
Dito ako magtupan.
Okay, so we are now inside. Wala yan. Yung mga alak talaga. Tingnan mo yung lighting ko.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda. Ay, ang puti ito dyan. Sinok siya dyan. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina pa yung sabi ko, ba't parang iba yung lighting?
Oo, ano, iba yung freshness.
Diba?
When you look into my eyes, oh, everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love. You got that groovy kind of love. The kind that makes you crazy, makes me wanna call you baby. Don't make me
Parang postcards. Pwede ko mag-send ng letter sa future. So, it depends sa kung ano yung schedule na gusto ko. Yun. So, yeah. Then, we're going to write ourselves a letter to the future. Babaeng magaan.
Walang kopyahan na.
We're done. Ito po yun naman.
At paggabi. Ang look.
Okay, so i-interviewin po tayo.
Bakit?
Ako na pala. Siya ulit. Looks familiar? Yeah. So, kamusta po yung nasa taas? Interview kasi hindi. So, Kumusta po yung pagsusulat ng letter?
I'm thinking about my job. It's like writing email.
Yes.
Hindi lang naman ako
Mas pinaplan namin siya ma-receive ng after 6 years. Pero I guess kung ano lang yung gusto lang nila, kung kailan nila i-send yun. Oo.
Pero what if tanggap bago tayo?
Na-receive na pagka-uwi pa lang.
Kaya at the end of
I
the
guess
year.
tatago ko na lang muna sa sarili ko yun. Tsaka ako na lang bubuksan. After 6 years na lang, ako na lang magtatago pala. Ganun.
You make me think by you, I'm so inspired. The way you tease, man, I'm so weak in my knees. 'Cause you're always on my mind. I'm so grateful that you're mine. Don't make me dim my light, but with you I shine so bright. You got that certain kind of love. You got that good kind of love. The kind that makes you crazy, makes me wanna call you baby.
You're listening to the sounds and sonics of the magical world of Black Girlhood, W9496, where the vibe is high and the spirit stays divine. Stay cool out there, y'all, and we'll catch you next time.
You got that certain kind of love. You got that good kind of love. The kind that makes you crazy, makes me wanna call you baby.
Okay, thank you. I am visiting the Van Gogh exhibit alone here in Kika Mall, Ho Chi Minh. And yeah, I got the VIP ticket. here in Bulong Pagoda. Iikot lang kami. So, walang tao. Halos lang kami lang. Checking out some stores. Naghihulig-hulig muna kami.
Wow, nakikita naman na ng design. Vietnam. Wow, cute.
Ayun, sakto wala masyadong I think office siya, kaya hindi siya parang something na mapupuntahan sa loob. So, ayun.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying near the right chord. It's always
This is our last day here in Ho Chi Minh, and currently we are in the new playground. Mag-check lang kami ng items. So today, yung gagawin natin is mamimili, mga pasalubong, mga damit, anything
anything na mabibili natin.
Gusto ko yan sa'yo.
Mas okay nga.
Kaysa,
Mas okay yun.
kasi,
Sabay ko yan. Sige, story yung at least yun. Tsaka yung shade nga, nagets ko na. Ngayon nakita ko po. Thank you. Matapos lang namin mamili. So, sa center, meron pala siyang kainan. Ayun. So, dito lang kami.